Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are here for the first time, you are welcome. If you're a returning one, you're also welcome. So today I'm in a new hotel in Witbank attending a meeting. So this is gonna be my room just for today. So let us do a room tour quickly. Immediately enter the room. On your left hand side there's a mirror where you can see yourself fully. On the other side of the room we have a bathroom. This is the bathroom, it's very huge. Then this is the shower. If you want to take a shower, this is the shower. On next to the shower we have a basin with a mirror and a towel. Then we also have a toilet with a bin, brush and toilet paper. This side we have a bath. If you want to take a bath, this is the bath with towels and shampoos and soap. Everything is there. Yes, this is the towels. Then let us go to the room and see what is inside the room. Then we have a closet. Yeah, this is the closet. A wardrobe, guys, it's very long, very long. Then on the other side we have a seat where you can put your bags maybe. Then let's open and see. In this side we don't have anything. Let us see on the other side. Then on the other side we have a safe where you can put your things. Then also my bags, that's what we have. Let us see on the other side of the room. We have a bed, a huge one. I think it's a queen size because it's very big. So we have a bed with a white linen. Then also we have side lamps. As you see, we have side lamps. And yeah, we have a photo on the other side of the wall. Then yeah, those are just remotes. And then if maybe you want to refresh, you can use this, what we call this, but yeah, you can use it for refreshing. Then we have TV. We have a mirror again on the coffee station. Then we have two glasses, two cups, water, kettle, and the coffee and the tea. Underneath what we have a dustbin and the chair. That's what we have. Okay, we have a hair dryer also. Then if you want to relax, you can come to this sofa. Maybe you can come to this couch and relax. Then we also have a working station. Yes, we have a table and a chair. And then we have also a side lamp, maybe if you want to do your work. So those are bags and my papers. Yeah, that's it that we have. Side lamp, telephone, a notebook and a pen. Yeah, if you want to write something or you want to call, then yeah. Okay, we also have a photo. Then yeah, that's it guys, that's all that we have in this room. Yeah guys, now I'm going to have eat dinner. Then after that I'm gonna take a shower and sleep. So this is my dinner. I'm having a pork what, chicken, pumpkin, cabbage, and a small portion of the rice with a gravy. Yes, this is my plate. Then on the other side I'm having a green salad, potato, and then also another salad. I don't know what is the name of that salad. Yeah, this is my dinner guys. Yeah, the food is so nice and it's like eatable, you know. Yeah, right. Sharp guys. Good day guys, I hope you all well. I'm Notula Mabuza. If you are new, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, you're also welcome. And please don't forget to comment and like the video. Guys, today it's Sunday, the 13th of February. I'm just here to say hello, guys. I hope you're all good. So today, guys, I just wake up early in the morning, early in the morning. I prepared myself and went to church. When I came back to church, I was so tired, very, very much tired. I wake up just now, so I felt like ngilambile, I'm so hungry. Then I've decided to go to Checkers just to find out what I can eat. I'm also thirsty. I try to drink water, but I just need something, So yeah, buy bread for the whole week, and yeah, preparing for tomorrow. So I'm just here to say hi, guys. I hope you are good as we are starting a new week. I just want to encourage you, Guti, whatsoever that you are doing, pray continuously about it, even if it seems so small, kangakanani, but pray continuously about it. If you want to achieve that goal or that dream, pray continuously about it, ungakuyeki ukuthandaza. Pray and pray, because there are certain imimoya ebambayo or evimbayo everything that we are planning. So pray continuously this week. Pray about everything that you planned. You tell God about everything and pray about it, even if it's so small, God is gonna do it. So yeah, I'm just here to welcome you in this week, and just encouraging you guys with it. In everything that you are doing, pray. In everything that you are doing, give thanks to the Lord. In everything that you are doing, inform God so that God can open your ways. So yeah, let us go to Checkers, guys. Let me not talk too much. Let's go to Checkers. Then we're gonna come back. I'm craving for amawotwana. So let us go to Checkers. I'm gonna take you through when I'm doing my wotwana. Then I won't come back, guys. I love you guys and stay blessed. Please don't forget to subscribe of my channel. I'm gonna see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.